In this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest review of Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium for 2025. If you're thinking about using a robo-advisor but also want access to real financial planners, this might be one to watch. So, what is it? This is Schwab's hybrid robo-advisor service. You get automated portfolio management plus unlimited one-on-one guidance from certified financial planners. To get started, you'll need a minimum of $25,000. There's a one-time $300 planning fee, and then it's $30 a month after that. Here's what I like about it. It's perfect for people who want automation and professional advice in one place. The onboarding process is super smooth. You fill out your goals, and it builds a diversified portfolio tailored to you. You get unlimited access to real CFP pros, which is a rare feature at this price point. The service includes automatic rebalancing and tax loss harvesting if your balance qualifies, which helps maximize efficiency. Now, a few things to consider. The $25,000 minimum might be too high for new investors or those just starting out. Schwab portfolios tend to hold a relatively high cash allocation, which can slow down growth during bull markets. And while the monthly fee is fair for what you get, that initial $300 setup charge could feel like a hurdle for some. So, is it right for you? If you're looking for a hands-off investing solution but still want personal financial guidance and you meet the account minimum, Schwab's Premium Robo-Advisor is a strong option. But if you're starting with a smaller portfolio or want to avoid upfront fees, there might be better entry-level alternatives. If this review helped, give a super thanks by tapping that heart icon, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and fast financial reviews. See you in the next one.